My name is Gidget. This is Dr. Cagle. I had a partial knee replacement done in 2 years ago. Was having trouble. Came up to see Dr. Cagle. He found the problem right away. We went into surgery. I've been really good. 3 weeks early out of therapy, and now I'm here to have another one done.
Yeah, yeah. And so how long did you suffer? You said 2 years?
Mm-hmm.
And just said nothing's wrong, just do more
Well, that's
therapy.
what the doctor kept saying was he couldn't see nothing. There was nothing there. But then come here, give you the disc, and you found it. So you're a lifesaver.
Oh, no problem. And now how far out from surgery are we today, more or less?
We are August 29th
Okay,
is when we did it.
wonderful.
And I was 3 weeks early on therapy.
Yeah.
So,
But we're actually talking about the other knee today, is that right?
yep, you're going to do this knee now.
Yeah, because that one has bone-on-bone arthritis in there, and we'll get you signed up and get that all replaced for you.
So this knee's great. Now let's take care of this
Well, we'll
knee.
get you a matching pair.
Well, that's what I want.
So thank you so much.
Thank
It's been
you.
a privilege to work with you.
You
And
too.
I always ask people, having been through what you've been through, what advice would you give people who have hip or knee pain and aren't sure what to do?
Go. Come and see him. He is wonderful.
Wonderful. Well, thank you again.
You're